Okay, what else?
And one last question for me is if it is allowed to read articles, publications, scientific research, and maybe it's fake, that say that Tetragrammaton was found in the Canaanites.
I mean, are you allowed to read scientific articles? I mean, as we said to today, if it's getting you closer to HaShem somehow. So as I said, math or geometry, right? Even though if it develops your way of thinking of building up the case, so yeah, that's good. But if it's only information that is useless to you, like how you're going to use it in the service of HaShem, that's the basic answer, the basic question that we must ask ourselves every day with all our activities. Is this thing is going to be closer, make me close to HaShem or not? Or it's just waste of time? Or I could have been doing something more productive in life? So that's the basic question. So, and if you follow this simple pattern, this simple question in yourself, so you're never going to lose. Okay. That's the answer. Okay.